What about Merck, Pete? I know this is one that we've talked about in the past because one of the drug giants. Well, what if one of your giant drugs has an oopsie? And that's exactly what they had with Gardasil, because Merck, of course, makes this Gardasil, which is supposed to be for HPV vaccine. And, it's not the same as some of the issues with other vaccines and safety and so forth. But China, basically, they're putting a pause on shipments to China, which is going to impact earnings pretty dramatically. And for that reason, the stock fell by about 11% early on, and it hasn't bounced, Pete.
Yeah, when you're looking at 2025, they're short on their expectations, what they were looking for. The global sales, John, that was down. That's not a good thing. They missed on their earnings. That's not a good thing. Q4 earnings and revenue, they just couldn't do it. And the reason was exactly what you were pointing out, which is key products. We're talking about the key products. Those are the ones where they're just not executing, and that I think is going to be a real problem for them. When you look at where this stock is between the 52-week, the low and the high, John, it's edging really close to those lows of 87. So I think for what we saw from this quarter and some of the projections going further out, Merck right now is getting a little murky. And I don't think you need to just dive in here just because of the fact that it's sold off. I think this is one of those where it might take a little bit of time. I think you got plenty of time to watch this one for a while before you might get back to having some interest in maybe saying, okay, they've got it turned. They don't have it turned yet, that's for sure.